In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields on contacts in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Custom fields are an incredibly handy feature in Pipedrive that allows you to personalize your contact management experience. They enable you to capture and organize information that is specific to your business needs. So if you're ready to learn how to set this up, let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu in Pipedrive. To do this, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Company Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Pipedrive experience. Next, let's locate the Data Fields section. After entering the settings, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll find an option labeled Data Fields. Click on that, and it will take you to a page that will allow you to manage both person and organization data. Now, when you get to the Data Fields page, you'll notice some tabs at the top. You'll see options for person and organization. Here's where you need to decide. If you're adding a custom field for individual contacts, click on the Person tab. If you want to add information related to companies, click on the Organization tab. It's all about what kind of information you're looking to collect. Once you're in the right tab, it's time to add your custom field. Look for the button on the top left that says Add Custom Field. Go ahead and click that. You're now on the path to creating a field specifically tailored to your needs. When you click to add a custom field, you'll need to configure it. Start by entering a clear and concise name for your field. This is important as it will guide your team on what type of information should be entered. For example, if you want to track your contacts' birthdays, you might name the field Birthday. Next, select the appropriate field type. Pipedrive offers various options, such as text for notes, date for deadlines, and single or multiple options for drop-down menus. Choose what fits your needs best. If you're creating a field for industry preferences, for instance, a drop-down menu would be a great choice. Here's a tip. You can also add a short description for the field, which can serve as a helpful guideline for your team. This optional step ensures everyone understands what information should be entered, making the process more efficient. Once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. Hit the Save button, and just like that, your new custom field is ready. It will now automatically appear whenever you or your team create or edit a contact in Pipedrive. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom field in Pipedrive. This tool is a game changer for keeping your contact information organized and tailored to your business's unique needs. Remember, the more information you capture, the better you can engage with your contacts. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like.